Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden and also Lady Wisdom Speaks. Good morning. What a beautiful autumn morning after the rains. Hallelujah. We had yesterday rain and hail, and it was so miserable out. But look at the glory of the garden. My beautiful golden tree. And the mums have held up in spite of all of that. I can still see a rose. The leaves of the hostas are changing. But it is just so beautiful. It's like a golden experience this morning. So beautiful. Just love this. I just love how the sun hits these leaves. It's just making it sparkle. And the way that the branches of the tree just reflects and shows off the colors of the leaves. This is so pretty. Well, definitely the garden is dying back. My kale still there. Yeah, look at that. Isn't this beautiful? It's like everything is aglow. It's so pretty. My tree, my Asian pear tree. The apple tree back there. Now this fig tree, what I did was I dug it up. I got some roots on it. It was growing, and the way that it was growing, it was like it started getting roots from the stems, so I dug it up. Not all of it. I didn't dig up all of it. I just dug up that piece and repotted it and put it in the house. And hopefully it will create a new plant. It looks pretty good. I'll show it to you later. And here is my peach tree. Still looking healthy and nice. But look at the hostas. Yep, that's over with. Oh, look at this view. Tree. Oh, I'm just mesmerized by this tree. Oh, look at the color. Just so nice. Fall has definitely hit my garden. After those hailstones, I knew that was the end of that. But it's a golden color. Everything is so nice. The plum tree. It's freezing. Oh, here's my fig tree. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this fig tree. But that little lone fig is holding on. So over here, I'm gathering the leaves in this section here, and what I'm going to do is then put some more cardboard, grass clippings, and then layer it with the mulch, and we'll see what happens. And here I planted some carrots, which is an experiment. I planted carrots, which is part of my experiment, and that's Swiss chard, some lettuce, and some more carrots back there. But that's what's here at on this side. I still have some mint, and pretty much everything is finished here. But this is my project because I want to build up this area here. So that it'll have great compost, and then next year I'll put a layer of soil and I'll plant here. This is my new planting bed. It has been wonderful recording the garden and showing you all of the different things that are happening in the progression of the garden. These are the angel trumpet trees that I planted from the stem. And just how everything is just changing now. And you could see with the garden that certain parts receive the frost much more than other parts. Certain parts, the parts that this area here is much more warmer because of the heat from the wall from the house and the deck. So it's going to take it a little longer before it changes. But then other parts of the garden that are more exposed, you can see the effects of the frost.